What's up, my honey bunnies? Welcome back to a new video. I hope you guys are doing fabulous today. In today's video, I bring you a nail tutorial or a nail video. On my Instagram, I get a lot of questions regarding my nails, what color I'm using, what's on my nails, how do I get them done, where do I go and get them done. So because of that, I thought that doing more nail videos can be more helpful here on my channel. I'm gonna be creating a Valentine's Day gel manicure on my nails, and I'm gonna be using the Madam Glam gel kits. So they did send this over for me to try it out. I'm a very thrifty person and I love to save money wherever I can. So by doing my nails at home, I do save a lot of money. Before I start with the manicure, I want to tell you guys a little bit about Madam Glam. Of course, they're cruelty-free and vegan. They are a 9-free formula, which just means they're made without 9 harmful ingredients that are found in nail polish. So just yesterday, they came out with a new collection. It's called the Green Hearts, and they came out with 11 glittery shades, and they all look so beautiful. I don't have any of these to show you, but oh my goodness, I think I need to pick up a few because they look so pretty. I have been so obsessed with glitter. I don't know why, but I've just been on a glitter kick. I did use glitter on one of my nails, so I will show you guys how I did that. But yeah, let's just get started with this nail tutorial. I hope you guys find it helpful. Again, I'm not a professional. I just love to save money and I like to do things on my own. But anyways, let's get into the tutorial. This kit comes with everything you're gonna need to create a gel polish at home. It comes with some nail accessories, which is a nail file, 10 nail wraps to remove your gel polish after, a wooden stick. It also comes with a pocket LED light to cure the gel polish, and 3 gel polishes of your choice. I do suggest getting a top coat and base coat if this is your first time doing gel polish. Starting off with some nail extensions already on my nails. I do have a video on how I do that down below if you want to check it out. The first thing I'm doing is applying a base coat, and I am going to be applying very thin layers. I always do my index, my middle, and my ring finger together because they're almost the same size. So they fit perfectly under the LED all at once. The trick with gel polishes is that you want to do very thin layers. So I'm doing very thin layers of the base coat, and then I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. Moving on to the color gel polish, I am using the color Amore. I think that's how you pronounce it, but it's a beautiful red. Again, very thin layers. I am going to apply 2 coats and curing in between each coat for 30 seconds as well. Now with the color Pillow Talk, I'm going to be using this one for a design. I do want some hearts, and for that I'm going to be using my nail stamping plate. I did get this at Marshall's or Ross a long time ago, but this is a really great way to add design to your nails without having to do it by hand. So I'm going to be using the little heart, and again the color Pillow Talk, which is a beautiful mauvey with a reddish undertone. Before applying the top coat, I am going to be flash curing my design just for like 10 seconds, just so that it doesn't smear. Once that's done, I'm going to apply my top coat. Now for my ring fingers, I did want something sparkly, so I went ahead and picked out a red glitter, and I mixed it with the Madam Glam top coat, and I applied it on my ring fingers as a glitter top coat. The only thing I have to do now is remove the moisture layer from my nails, layer with a little bit of alcohol. Those are my Valentine's Day gel manicure at home. I really do like the way they turned out. I like the little minimal design with a little bit of glitter. That is how I create a gel manicure at home. Very easy. I really love gel polishes mostly for my toes, not so much my nails on my hands, because they are very long lasting compared to regular nail polishes. I do like to put them on my toes because that is a place where I don't like to change my nail polish that often. On my nails, like my hand nails, I do like to change them very often. So because of that, I do prefer them on the toes, but I wasn't gonna show you my toes, so that's why I went ahead and did them on my nails. I do now have a coupon code with Madam Glam, which is really, really cool. It is LE30 to get 30% off your order. I think their products are great. I do really enjoy them. I love their polygel. Their polygel is by far the closest to an acrylic nail. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful somehow. If you guys did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.